I have in my hand a wonderful piece of technology that we've developed for the 360 and the 370 only. And this is called the ink collector. The ink collector is designed to solve the problem of having ink go through the media and onto the platen. Medias that have that quality are, say, porous fabrics, meshes, georgettes, sheers, flag banner. Any material that you hold up to the light and does not have a liner, and you clearly see light shining through either large or small pinholes, that means you're probably going to have some degree of ink go through the media and onto the platen. Now, we've been printing on media that has some degree of porousness for a long time with latex printers, but it does turn your platen sort of a funny shade of green or blue. And then you have to take some cleaning cloths and wipe it clean, and in very extreme situations, you kind of have to open up the vacuum holes with a little tool that we have for that. What this does is eliminate that completely. This is an elegant, well-engineered little piece of technology that takes maybe 30 seconds to take them in and out with the flat platens. So when I move to a porous fabric, I put these in, and that way any extra ink goes right down here onto these little felt cloths. Now, the little blue inserts are actually a consumable. You can buy new inserts. You do not buy the whole ink collector. You're just buying the little inserts. What I have is a full extra set of the inserts, and then after I run and have a lot of ink through, say on a mesh, I rinse those completely clean and let them dry and then rotate a fresh set in. So I always have a fresh set of ink collectors that really has very little ink on it. This is a wonderful tool. And let me show you how it goes onto the printer. It's a very easy thing to do. You can take them on and off all day long and spend almost no time doing it.